welcome back to my channel. It's me, Missy. If you are returning, thank you for stopping by once again. If you are new here, welcome and join me and my YouTube family by hitting that subscribe button and turn on the bell. So before we get started to this video, how about giving it a like and comment down below. So y'all, today I'm going to be doing a review on the RevAir blow dryer. It's like a reverse blow dryer, hair dryer. And it costs like $500 something, and we're gonna see if it's worth the money. So let's open up the box. I need a knife to open the box. I'm so excited, y'all. Oh my gosh. I don't want to cut anything inside. But yeah, yes. So it comes with the instructions, tells you how to use it, and we have a quick start guide that comes with it. It says blow your mind, not your hair. So that's what we're going to do, y'all. We're going to blow your mind and not your hair. So, let's see what all come in here. I'm going to toss that to the side. Oh my God, y'all. Dun 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 dun! Look at it. It's so big. It's huge. It reminds me of old vacuum cleaner back in the day. Oh, it's already, is it already attached? Oh, it's heavy. Oh my gosh, it's heavy, y'all. Woo, did y'all hear that impact? That's because it's heavy. Okay, y'all, I gotta figure this out. So it looks like it's already attached. It's already attached. Comes in this nice bag to keep it in. That's a nice bag to keep it in. We'll set that to the side. Danger, keep away from water. Oh, this red thing says prior to using RevAir, RevAir is designed to dry and straighten clean, damp hair. Do not apply oils to hair before use of your device. Do not saturate hair with hair care products or water to the point of dripping. Do not use excess substances on or in the device. Filter and base should be scrubbed with a mild detergent every 3 to 5 uses. That's what it says. So let's unravel the cord. No, y'all, I'm not about to use it just yet. I do gotta wash my hair, but I want to come on here and show y'all what it looked like. We have the settings right here. It has settings 0 to 7, and it has the on and off switch right here on top. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah. And we have the high and low buttons right here. Up is more high, low is less air. So first I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my hair and wash it, and then I'm gonna come back on here and I'm gonna demonstrate this for y'all to let y'all know if it's worth the money or not. So y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my hair. I have some water in this spray bottle, and I have a brush. This is a cool brush, y'all. What's it called? Easy Detangler is what it's called. And I'm gonna stop my hair, y'all. It's a bit itchy, so I know it's time. So I'm just gonna show y'all a little bit of detangling my hair real quick, section it off so I can go ahead and wash it. So I can go ahead and use the new RevAir in my hair. So y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair off like this. And I'm gonna try this, y'all. So I'm gonna section it off like this, y'all. Twist it up. And I'm gonna go ahead and wash it. And I'll be back to show y'all. Okay, y'all, I've sectioned my hair and detangled it. Now I'm about to go wash it. So y'all, I washed my hair. You can see I'm all soaking wet. So now I just gotta section my hair again and go ahead and section it so I can go ahead and try using the RevAir. Here she is, y'all. She is so heavy. This is how big she is. So, you think I'm gonna like the RevAir, or am I gonna go back to my old-fashioned Andis? This is what I usually use, but we're gonna put that to the side. So I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair, y'all, and I'll be back when I get ready to use this beauty. Okay, y'all. So, it says do not put a lot in at one time. So, I'm not going to put a lot in at one time because my hair is a bit thick. So, I'm going to go ahead and put my satin on. Y'all know what? I'm going to be brave and put it on 7. And put it on high. See, it's on 7. And I'm about to turn it on high. I'm so scared, y'all. I'm so excited. Are y'all excited for me? Because I'm excited. Okay, y'all. I brought y'all a little closer to me. So, here goes. Ooh, it's loud. Ooh. Ooh, it's sucking my hair. I can feel it getting warm. It feels good to my scalp. I think they said do it like 90 seconds on each one. I can feel a little burn, but it feels good though. And it's heavy. Woo! Okay, we get to my root. I can feel it tugging a little bit, but it doesn't hurt. I got the setting on 7 and high heat because I have such thick hair. So I just want to go straight in with it. It sucks my hair like a vacuum cleaner. If you can stand a vacuum cleaner, then you can stand this noise. Y'all see that? And when I took my hair out of it, my hair is dry and my hair was not hot to the touch. And it did straighten it out quite a bit. My root is dry. I like it. Look how straight it made my hair, y'all. I have another section back here I'm gonna try. This is another section. Gotta turn around so y'all can see it. I feel like it's massaging my scalp too. It feels good. This thing is heavy, y'all. I'm gonna warn y'all, it's heavy. Look, it's stuck in my other part of my hair up just now. The amazing thing to it is that when you pull your hair out, your hair is not hot. It's cool to the touch. Like when I be blow drying my hair with the regular blow dryer, my hair would be hot when I touch it. But yeah, let's try this side. So this is the length. This is what it looks like before I put the in. So let's go ahead and try this side. Yeah. It feels so good to the scalp. It's like it's massaging my scalp. But you can't leave it in one spot for too long. I say after 10 seconds, you might want to shift it a little teeny bit so you can feel the heat. So when you start to feel a little burn, within 10 seconds, you might want to shift it just a little bit. And if you have kitchen like I do, a lot of hair on your neck, you might want to try to suck that up in there with it, if you can. I think maybe 90 seconds for each section that you do would be good. Like, if you have a perm, your hair may be straighter. But see, I haven't had a perm in like 7 years. So I'm not going to expect a miracle for it to be silky smooth straight, because I have not had a perm in 7 years. I've been going natural for that long. So I'm not looking for a miracle to happen, but I'm almost close to it though. And it's cool to the touch, y'all. So I'm gonna go to the back of. It has a cool light that glows up. Look, it's sucking all my hair. Y'all, this is sucking all my hair back in. So y'all, this is it. That's the back of it. Let's do the front so y'all can see some of the front as well. Okay, this is what the front is looking like at this point. Okay, here go the front, y'all. I don't feel no burn or nothing. I can feel the heat, but the heat doesn't hurt. Like it ain't no, it ain't nothing like that. But it just feels so good though. Look at that, y'all. Put my specs on so I can see. Yeah. Compare and contrast.
No.
I think it's faster than using a regular blow dryer, and it's just soothing. Let's see if it'll curl a little bit, y'all. So I can bump my end. Oh, it did bump my thing about it is that you do not have to force your hair in it. You do not have to try to work your way with your hair to go in it. It automatically sucks up your hair. So that's a good thing. Because I thought I would have to like force my hair in it, you know, get it at a good angle and force my hair in it. But as you can see, it automatically grabs your hair. Look at that. If you want a little bump, let's try a little bump. Look! A little bump. Try to do like a little bump, y'all. Look at that. Yes. Okay, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and finish my hair. This is what it's looking like when I get done with this. I'm going to tell y'all what I think about it. Okay, y'all. I'm finally made my way to the front. On this side, I've done the back. So here go this side, y'all. To really get your scalp dry the way you want it, you might want to hold it real close to your scalp. Don't be afraid to do so, because it will not burn you. At least it's not burning me. I can like feel the suction. Soft and manageable. It's my last part right here. And my hair is so easy to comb now with it. Yeah, just stuck right on in. Put my glasses on so I can see y'all. So y'all, this is my hair now, using the RevAir. This would be a good time to trim your ends. My ends does need to be trimmed. I don't want to do it myself because I might do it discombobulated. But yeah, this is the final results, y'all. And I give it thumbs up. The RevAir. This thing's so big. Yes. So, overall, this is worth the money. Yes, it is. It really stretches your hair out. It really dries your hair. It gets down to the roots. It's very manageable. And it's a bit heavy, but not that heavy. And it's loud, but you can stand, if you can stand a vacuum cleaner, then you can stand this noise. But yes, I say get one if you like to blow dry your hair or whenever you want to blow dry your hair. But yes, it's a good product to get. It's like $400. But yeah, this is my final results, y'all. And my hair is soft and it's full. And I got body. Look at that. I have body. Oh, you can't tell me nothing now, child. Look at me. Look at me. You can't tell me nothing. Look. Y'all see all that? But yeah, I would recommend this. It's a good product to get. I love it. I love it. I love it. And I love it. So y'all, that's the end of my video and my review on RevAir. And yes, I do love it. I am in love with this thing, and I don't know if I'll go back to my regular hand dryer. But so if y'all enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below. See y'all in my next video. Bye.